Cops. Shit.
A shocking YouTube video that shows a Plainfield man speeding with his young daughter in the front seat leads to an arrest for street racing and child endangerment. Look at him go. Paul Powell posted a wide range of his street racing videos to his YouTube channel called Family Cruisin. Plainfield police specifically cited social media prompting their investigation back in mid-August. That investigation looked into criminal activity related to the dangerous operation of motor vehicles. Powell now faces 15 charges of street racing in addition to the child endangerment charge. Those YouTube videos also led to the arrests of Timothy Hagan, Stephen Friedenhagen, and Joseph Lucas, all on street racing charges. Plainfield police have issued arrest warrants for 3 others as well.
Can you guys even believe that? Like, you just go ahead, make some cool YouTube videos, you know, share your journey with the social media networking world, and this is what happens to you. You get locked up, you go to jail. Man, Family Cruisin people. First of all, I just want to say, if you are watching my videos, if you are a YouTuber, go ahead to help Paul out. I do want you guys to go ahead to his channel, Family Cruisin, hit that subscribe button. Every subscriber counts. If we can raise his subscriber count, he is going to be able to make a little bit more money on his YouTube channel. Therefore, he can pay whatever bills and expenses that city, that town is going to be throwing in his face. Guys, we know it's not easy. It's a tough situation. Now, another way to help out Family Cruisin is by going to his GoFundMe page. Link in the description, link on the screen. So they created a GoFundMe page to help pay some of his bills. Now guys, I'm not sure if you know, but he is the sole worker. He is the bread and money maker for his family. So quite possibly he could be losing his job right now, and he needs all the help he can get. And the sad truth is, Paul probably started this YouTube channel in order to, 1, create more money for his family by growing his channel, and now 2, to just share with the community, with other guys that are not able to afford a HellCat, are not able to go to these car shows. He shares that experience with the whole world, which I'm grateful for, because I go ahead and watch his videos all the time. Now, I've known Paul. I'm a local here, and I've seen Paul at some of the car meets I've been to, and you know, we definitely need to help support our own people, help the neighborhood, if you know what I mean. So supposedly Paul is on $400,000 bond right now. Some sources do say that it's been lowered to $150,000. Anyway, I don't even want to think about these prices, and because it's just gonna blow my mind. You definitely don't want to be in Paul's shoes right now. So obviously you don't want to do some crazy things on YouTube. The police definitely can look it up. I mean, they track phone numbers. They can definitely, I mean, all the evidence you're giving the police, they have on YouTube, through social media and other platforms. So always be cautious on what you are uploading. Now to the main point of this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about some do nots when uploading street racing and other automotive YouTube content. So let's get right into it. That way you guys won't get locked up and you prevent yourself from this happening to you. So use it as a learning source and learn from other people's mistakes. So let's go ahead and get on with the video. I myself used to go street racing all the time back in the day. Currently, I do not. Once I started my career, I choose not to do street racing because it's just not worth the risk. Anyway, my Civic's not gonna win any races, so what's the point of going, right? So the first thing, when you go out, record automotive content for your YouTube channel or any other social media platform. When you're out there and you go record people street racing, make sure you use post-processing on their license plates. Make sure you guys blur out the license plates, because not only that you're going enjoying yourself, but you're filming these people, you're putting these people's lives in jeopardy. If you can record their car going another quarter mile, right, and their license plate is on the video, right there and there, the police can track that license plate. They can see who's the owner of the vehicle, their address, etc. And then they can start their investigation. Now, the second thing you guys definitely don't want to share is the person's face driving the vehicle. That's clearly going to give them more evidence. If they can match up the plate and the person driving, they got themselves a case. Now, long time ago, I was involved in a accident. Now, this accident was a hit and run. We were able to find and record the license plate of that vehicle that did the hit and run, but because we didn't have a description of the person driving the vehicle, the police weren't able to do anything. So like I'm saying, if you guys can match on the video the driver's face and the license plate, that guy's going bye-bye. He's going locked up. So definitely blur out faces.
Yeah. So what do you want, heads or tails?
Tails. Make sure you blur out license plates. And do everybody a favor. Don't go ahead and go street racing and then put up the clear license plate faces of people. It's just not right. Don't do it. Do everybody a favor and just don't even record or post, okay? The next thing you guys want to do is what Street Speed 717 does. Every time I see him making his car racing videos, he definitely makes sure he blurs the plate, but also in the videos, the street signs, when they're flying by 150 miles an hour and you see welcome to Wisconsin or welcome to Pennsylvania signs, you definitely want to have that cleared out, because that's a clear sign you're not in Mexico, right? And on my Mexico topic, you definitely want to say in the video, if you're making a street racing video or any kind of racing video, just say, hey, we are going to Mexico, race.
What's up, YouTube? This is Paul at the Family Cruisin Network, and tonight we are in Mexico.
This way, at least you have evidence for yourself saying that, hey, I was in Mexico, I clearly verbalized it in the video, etc.
Here you can see these racers put painter's tape on their license plate to prevent any kind of evidence that they were racing. And this hoonigan knows the risk and consequences of going to jail, so he at least does a poor attempt of putting in some microfiber towels and some rags on his front and rear license plate while hooning around, which did him no good as he still got caught.
Anyway guys, I hope these little quick tips and tricks do help you guys make your future content. I'm curious what these YouTubers are going to be doing that already have posted in the past street racing videos without blurring the plates, without blurring the faces, without blurring the street signs. What are you guys going to do? Because the police can come after you. Evidence that has been put onto the network, on the social media platforms, you can always utilize it and you could get punished for it. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. See you on the next video. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.